Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to build karma quickly on Reddit, especially if you're just getting started. As you can see, I currently have very little karma, and that's completely normal for a new account. If you're in the same situation, don't worry. By following a few simple and consistent steps, you can grow your Reddit karma steadily over time. First, let's quickly talk about what Reddit karma actually is. Reddit karma comes in two main forms: post karma and comment karma. Post karma is earned when other users upvote your posts, while comment karma is earned when people upvote your comments. Both types contribute to your overall karma score, but the way you earn them is slightly different. Let's start with comment karma, because this is usually the easiest and fastest way to begin. A great strategy is to engage in subreddits that genuinely interest you. For example, if you enjoy gaming, you can join gaming-related subreddits and start reading through posts. When you see a discussion you can contribute to, leave thoughtful, helpful, or even funny comments. The key here is to add value to the conversation. People are more likely to upvote comments that are informative, relatable, or entertaining. As your comments receive upvotes, your comment karma will slowly increase, and this also helps your account look more trustworthy. Now, let's move on to post karma. To earn post karma, you'll need to create posts that resonate with the Reddit community. One of the most effective approaches is sharing content people enjoy, such as personal experiences, helpful tips, or high-quality images and videos. Before posting, always make sure to read and follow the subreddit rules, as breaking them can get your post removed. With consistency, patience, and genuine engagement, your Reddit karma will grow naturally. I hope this guide helps you build your Reddit karma successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.